still using Mac's default terminal? You're missing out. I tested both for a month. Here's the brutal truth. Watch till the end. Iterm2, completely free from Iterm2.com. Here's what you get. Real split panes work on multiple terminals simultaneously, both horizontal and vertical splits. Autocomplete with control plus semicolon from your command history. Paste history shows everything you've copied. GPU accelerated rendering. Custom color schemes and profiles for different servers. Mouse support for Vim and Tmux. Built-in search across all tabs. Python API for automation. Stores up to 4 million lines of command history, transparency, and custom fonts. Hotkey window appears instantly with a shortcut. Constantly updated with new features. Mac Terminal. Free, pre-installed on every Mac from support.apple.com/guide/terminal. Here's what you actually get. Tabs for multiple sessions. Profiles with custom colors and fonts. Marks and bookmarks for navigation. Jump to previous commands with Command plus up arrow. Process Inspector to view running processes. Apple Script automation support. Command D split view, but it's not independent. Both panes mirror the same terminal session. You can't run different commands. It's only for viewing the same output from different scroll positions. Lightweight and fast, uses less resources. That's basically it. Here's the key difference nobody tells you. Mac Terminal's split pane is useless for actual work. It mirrors the same session in both panes. You can't run different commands. Iterm2 split panes are fully independent terminals. Mac Terminal is faster and lighter, but we're talking milliseconds. For real terminal work, Iterm2 is not even a competition. Who wins? Iterm2 destroys terminal for anyone doing real work. Terminal is only fine if you run basic commands occasionally. For developers, admins, anyone in the command line daily, download Iterm2 from Iterm2.com and never look back. It's free, powerful, and actually useful. Comment which you use, hit like, and subscribe.